10 unknown facts about Sajal Ali. First, Sajal Ali is a highly acclaimed Pakistani actress and model known for her versatile roles in television and film. Second, she was born on 17th January 1994 in Lahore, Pakistan. Third, Sajal Ali completed her matriculation high school but left college to focus on her acting career, starting at a young age to support her family. Fourth, she is the daughter of the late Firdaus Ali. She has a sister, actress Sabur Ali, and a brother. Fifth, she began her career in 2009 with a minor role in Jio TV's Nadaniya, followed by her breakout role in Mehmoodabad Ki Malike. Sixth, she made her film debut in 2016 with Zindagi Kitni Haseen Hai. Seventh, she appeared in Bollywood film Mom 2017 alongside Sridevi. Eighth, she appeared in dramas such as Nanni 2013, Sannata 2013, Ghor-e-Nayab 2013, Bunty I Love You 2014, Gul-e-Rana 2015, and Angan 2018. Ninth, she has received 5 Hum Awards and a Lux Style Award. The government of Pakistan honored her with the Tamgha-e-Imtiyaz. 10th, Sajal Ali married actor Ahad Raza Amir on 14th March 2020. The couple separated and divorced in March 2022. Subscribe the channel.